Everything happened in front of my eyes. I don't know how I survived. For some time, I thought I was also going to die. But when I opened my eyes, I realized that I was alive, and I tried to unbuckle myself from the seat and escape from where I could. It was in front of my eyes that the air hostess and others died. After the takeoff, within a minute, it felt like the plane came to a standstill for 5 to 10 seconds. I could feel engine thrust increasing to go up, but it crashed with speed into the building.
A passenger plane crashed in Western India. Na yono science asem de plane a etu afi India a ekọ London no na ekọ crash ya chese. Ekọ bo fam e ma eja tom. Yo mi checha m Ghana for over memory like comment na and subscribe ma me dase. Plane a efi India krobi a friends Ahmedabad. Aha. Na etu ya na de mfoni no betwa agu. Etu ya call ya na chese ekobo fo. Eja tom say. Na plane no nipa ba kope na o survive. So no die adom ara kwa. Na meka ne say he was lucky.
Everything happened in front of my eyes. I don't know how I survived. For some time, I thought I was also going to die. But when I opened my eyes, I realized that I was alive, and I tried to unbuckle myself from the seat and escape from where I could. It was in front of my eyes that the air hostess and others died. After the takeoff, within a minute, it felt like the plane came to a standstill for 5 to 10 seconds. I could feel engine thrust increasing to go up, but it crashed with speed into the building.
Oya lucky pa. Na utie mesabo video ba kwa no broni bi na ekasa chirechire baby ana ote say baby ote no ho na ya emergency exit ho no na no kra no na obi esesan seat so ni nipa ne sesan seat na so no be ban emergency exit no sa de ne ya na chese ohiri esiye na nkrofo ka na Yesu na age no but oye Hindu ni nti yankasa hwan na age no ana Hindu ni no so yankasa Yesu na age na na say mo pa chese Yesu odo ono esen omo maka wo plane mu nyina deadi odo obia na ebeka ne say he was lucky enti mutie ne ono akasa nanum asem amobehu nanum amoamo ne de eden de akakra ebeka say osifi plane mu kra na o jump yo o use parachute dia na obeka say bia kakra enka no ai ba we do obomodin e jump ye na so ye den so na mu ambu a oba bi ebeti na woman ba ko no so chese ono de o say o mese ne flight traffic echeye nti wantimi obedu airport na chese plane na tu ko dada atu na se me no a chese party ameye no party ameye no aka enye party ketwa nti sesi ai ni akwa no now say nearly 300 people were killed 300 people no say baby emu 242 and a passengers and crew members on board, one person survived. It is a siano ya a course no. Na plane be bofema na wa tu kwan da watena plane mu da wa nim senete. Turbulence nketenkete kra no eya na wo yam hyehyew. Na plane atu na eja to memu aye hyehye na wonim se plane ba be bofem. Owu a wankasa wani tua. Na chese ebe ya reho pa na reho so owu a wani tua se me ibewu. Ye ho hwie nye yie. Chese papa ba kokra do ne yere ne ma chese ne busuafo nyina o London no mte no mba vacation. Na video bi circulate omo so obi ne n'adamfo a ɔmo te airport ɔmo yɛ video to social media ɔmo nso ɔmo ani agye a ɔmo bɔ nkɔmɔ na kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo koraa de ɔmo yɛ British ɔmo nso survive na awerɛho paa na ɔmo busuafo ewu nea mɛka ne sɛ mema ɔmo yɛ akɔ na wedi asɛm wei deɛ nneɛma wei koraa ɛto wo tamfo koraa mpo a wonkɔgyina baabi ɛnsere kwakwakwakwakwa baabi awerɛho paa na flight ne din di AI171 AI171 flight no edin no na ɔmo ka sɛ wei since 1996 Indiafoɔ enya saa aviation disaster wei koraa deadliest aviation mensanka no bi deadliest aviation disaster ewo India.
If you thought someone surviving the plane crash in India was incredible, then wait until you hear the backstory, because the passenger wasn't booked into the seat that saved him. At some point before he got onto the flight, he switched to a window seat, seat 11A, which was crucially nearer the emergency exit. So the plane came down, somehow he survived in that seat. He got out of the seat and left the emergency exit, jumped off the plane and walked away. He was the only survivor. What makes it even more incredible is that when there are survivors to plane crashes, generally speaking, according to all the data, those survivors were sitting at the back of the plane where there was less impact. He was sitting towards the front of the plane, and none of the aviation experts I've spoken to can explain any of this. So obviously all the questions people are asking are around how he survived. Was it fate? Was there something about him, something about the seat, divine intervention? The reality is we can't explain it.
The plane skidded through a residential area in the northwestern city that hit a medical school dining hall with dozens of students inside, resulting in more casualties. Nti na yɛka sɛ nipa 300 na ewu na sɛ ɔmo ewu no ɛnyɛ plane mu na ɔmo nyinaa ɛte. Awerɛho paa. Na we de nya bɛbɔ mpae sɛ yɛkɔtena plane mu a asɛm wei ebi ɛntoyi. Esan sɛ yɛ wo tamfo koraa na de wei to na ɛnyɛ wo de. Yo, me da ase. Na oba memory mfi like, comment na subscribe man.